Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Banner Boy Games back with another video. And I want to say at the beginning of this month, March 1st, I passed my Security Plus at the beginning of this month. But now I'm focused on actual hands-on skills. Like I appreciate, learning the theory and the knowledge behind cybersecurity with the Security Plus, but I felt like I need to practice on some hands-on skills because I really didn't do too much practicing or get a, you know, the the theory is nice and things like that, but I just feel like the Security Plus gives you that baseline knowledge and understanding. But in order to be job ready, I'm going to have to get some hands-on skills, if you get what I'm saying. So as you can see, here's my Security Plus certification along with the other certifications I have. One of the resources that I am using is Try Hack Me, so that way I can practice, get some hands-on skills. But more so than that, Try Hack Me is definitely good. But I realized I like live training, watching the instructor do stuff and following along. I think Try Hack Me is good, but I call it more like static training, to where you reading a guide, follow instructions, do this, do this. While that's cool, like I can learn that way, but it's not the best way I learn, taking some static still training and whatnot. So here's what I am going to be using and that I'm currently enrolled in, which is John Strand's training, SOC core skills with John Strand. As you can see, I'm basically enrolled in this course. It starts on March 28th, which should be tomorrow, so a day after this recording. So, man, here's some of the things that it actually teaches. It's a 16-hour course, it looks like. Key takeaways: core networking skills, live Windows forensics, live Linux forensics, memory forensics, Active Directory analysis, threat hunting, network threat hunting, basics of vulnerability management, the incident response process. So I definitely want to take this because I believe, this is actually some real world skills that I can apply when working a cyber position. So this is definitely going to be my main focus. And then if I have some downtime, I'll probably go back to Try Hack Me or Range Force. But that's just basically what I want to say. So I just want to put that out there. Yes, I did pass it, but at this point, I'm not even sure if I'm even take the CYSA or Pentest Plus, or maybe if I take another CompTIA cert again, because like I said, I'm kind of burnt out on the multiple choice theory based training. So this is my plan for the future. So if you have any questions, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification until I come live next time.